we're going to go ahead and remove the sway bar end link. We're going to use a wrench and a Torx bit to actually secure the stud here and remove that nut. So we did use some rust penetrant on here. We're going to give this a shot. And this happens to be stripped out on us here. All right, with this bolt actually stripped out and the nut not spinning, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and use a cutting tool to cut the nut on both of these here. So that'll make it easier for us to remove this here. Always use safety glasses when you're using tools like this here, and be careful. So we're able to cut that piece off there. Just going to try and chisel off the little remnants of the nut here, and we'll do the same for the upper bolt. What we're going to do next is go ahead and line up the upper, just get a few threads started, line up the lower, get a few of those threads started there. Now as we're tightening up the nut here, the ball and socket is spinning itself. On the inside, just on the other side of this boot, is a wrench head. So we're going to go ahead and put a wrench inside there to keep this from spinning, and then we'll tighten up that knot. Once you snug these down, we'll go ahead and repeat the same for the top. All right, once this is tight, you want to go ahead and repeat the same for the other side.